My name is Mateusz Dąbrowski. I am a new Salesforce MVP and Marketing Cloud architect. In this Share Your Story by Moment Marketers episode, I invite you to a journey showcasing the power of Marketing Cloud's flexibility. One of my clients had a robust data ready for segmentation and personalization, but struggled with leveraging it to its full potential. They were missing a clear view of the available values stored in their data extensions. It is a necessary knowledge to help their marketeers focus on the worthwhile and perfectly targeted segments for their campaigns. With Marketing Cloud, the basic solution to this problem can be created in minutes and then improved step by step to match the specific client needs. I created a proof of concept in Query Studio using group by with count that provided the list of available unique values and counts that help decide which segments might be worth pursuing. It's already a usable solution, but not that user-friendly. Once tested, I moved the squall to Automation Studio to output this crucial information on schedule to data extension. In under an hour, the data is accessible without any coding knowledge to any marketeer. Next, I created a cloud page with SSJS to pull the data and display it in a user-friendly and searchable format thanks to HTML and JavaScript. I leveraged the installed package and Marketing Cloud APIs to add the cloud page to the main menu of Marketing Cloud and protect it with single sign-on. The solution provided secure, user-friendly, and automatically refreshed dashboard displaying available values and counts for selected data extensions. It is easy to use and empowers marketers to make the most of their customer journeys thanks to great segmentation. That solution can still be extended, for example, with Salesforce design language system styles hosted on a code resource, or with a verification activity alerting admins about the data quality issues. With Marketing Cloud, sky is the limit. Thank you for listening to this Share Your Story episode. More to come, so keep on building.